ke a go ya ka gangwe fela go gore Fani Madida a ka tla re bolelle gore the legendary breakfast ye ile gore wa iruleganya mo letsatsing la botlhano yona itle go tsamaya ka tsela entseng ja le gore maikaelelo magolo a the legendary lessons breakfast ile gore wa itshola o batla gore kwa pheletsong ya tsotlhe a fitlhelle eng gone ko ka ko kopanong eo o tla ba go kwantse batho ka ko Protea Hotel Balalaika ka ko karolong eo ya Santene mme mengwe wa rona na se re mo fitlhetse jaaka ko netefaleditse re Madida re tsa tshino ra go dumedisa ra go amogela mo stationeng sa Garankuwa
ntate ba ero re tsogile ka net
yeah no no re tsogile ntate Madida. It's been a while man, I haven't seen you on our screens. Ke eng ile gore itsana kwa ga go e ntse ga jaanong?
Well, I'm studying at the moment doing international relations at UNISA. So that's what keeps me busy. Then during my spare time, I spend my time with the Stars of Africa. That is led by Farouk Khan. Because my son is flying his trade there at under 16.
Oh yeah. Yanong ka qualifications ya international relations what is the plan Tate Madida? Do you want to venture into diplomacy kgotsa ke fela gore wa ikoketsa mo ka dithuto?
We try to it's diplomacy. So initially I wanted to be an ambassador, but I see a role that I can play as an attaché for sport, art, and culture. You know, because in any country, let's take an example, if one is deployed in Brazil, one can import the skills that's right to South Africans here, you know, so that we can improve the way we approach our football.
Oh yeah.
At a development level.
Ka gore ku tla gore ngwana gago o ka ko Stars of Africa ga o lebella structure sa Stars of Africa mo ntlheng ya go ka developer talent, are you satisfied ka seo se bona?
Well, what they are doing, their work is out there for everyone to see. They have just exported a player, young player, 17-year-old, to a Brazilian team. Just forgotten the name. He signed for the team, and it's 17, so that means there is something that they are doing at Stars of Africa, which is correct. So that's why they are called factory, sport factory or sport development factory for talent.
Yeah, ikete ua ka setlhopha sa Fluminense.
Exactly, that's it.
Yeah.
That's it.
Tate Madida, re biditse mo tsatsi la gompieno, tsatsi la botlhano o tla bo go kwantse batho ba dikakanyo tse di farologaneng mo metshamekong ya kgwele ya dinao. Gona le the legendary lessons breakfast me mono wa yona or from talent to team, aligning individual strengths to a common goal. A go re bolelle ka yona project ya gago.
It's quite an interesting one, Robesang, that one, because we have a facilitator who is called Zikela, who facilitates. I will be with the legends in ladies sport or women's sport, Maud Kumalo. So we talk about the behavior of a player. As an example, how do you bring a winning team? You know, the players that you recruit, you follow them, and you take a certain kind of a player to join you. Let's say you are a Sundown. For you to win major trophies in the country and outside of the country, there are certain players that you want in your team. So there is a process that you follow in sport. So then that Vikela will then take that into business. Whether in business they do as how we recruit in sport. You know, he brings the correlation between the two. Or I mean, sport can teach business on how to recruit workers for them. Because in business, they only look at your CV and then you are hired based on business. But in sport, you need to know your behavior in the field of play and outside the field of play. And we also have to know your temperament.
Yeah. Batla moletlong ke eng se ileng gore ba ile go ungwela mo sona ga o tla re the legendary lessons breakfast in ile successful di take out ke tse di fentse tse o batlang ba ye ka tsona go gae.
Well, to really engage the topics that we'll be dealing with, to say, because we've been doing this as a business and we haven't been successful, so maybe let's try and steal what football or what sport is doing, you know, and try and get that behavior into private sector or into your company. You look at Springboks. They are very much successful, and there is a pipeline of talent that is there. So coach Rasi, he just goes there and picks players and brings them into the national fold. So it also goes the same way in your company. You have to know where you have to go to recruit your talent. Because they are TVET colleges, they are universities. So it depends on you. Where do you want to go so that you can get the talent that you want? Because the youth is there, they go to school, but they are not hired. You know, so you also have to give them opportunities. It's just that you have to know what kind of a skill you want.
Yeah. Ke a bona ebile no bua ka women's sport kana women's football go laletsa motho a go tshwana le Mott Khumalo gore enne o mongwe wa di bui mo letsatsing leo ke eng se o batlang go se encourage?
Well, with Mott, because there I still need to learn a lot when it comes to women football. Because the mentality is totally different from the men's side. Throughout my life, I've been involved in the men's game. You know, so for me, there are lessons, and I always get these lessons whenever the Banyana are playing, or the World Cup, Women World Cup, or AFCON for women that is playing. I always take lessons. And now and then I talk to Coach Desiree and ask for other aspects of the game. How do you guys approach the situation when it evolves like this? Because when it evolves like this in football, this is how we maintain it or we deal with it. So you have to keep on evolving as a person, so that you learn.
Yeah. Ya no re Madida fa motho a batla go nna karolo ya the legendary lessons breakfast mo letsatsi la botlhano go tlhokagala eng mo go nna?
You just have to visit our website, Didiza 34 Foundation, or you visit Value Add website. There you get all the information. There is a lady called Pearl that you have to contact, and then you get the details.
Yeah.
And we will definitely appreciate if we get, if people are thinking about coming over on Friday to support the initiative, because it's totally different from what we see now and then in South Africa. It's totally different.
Yeah.
It's football and business.
Yeah. Ga se le kgetlo la ntlha o e dira Ramadida mme ke a bona fa ona le o ikgolagantse le ba Value Add. a go re bolelle ka boripana fela ka bona gore ke bomang ba tsereng tshwetso gore ba batla go ikamaganya le Fanny Madida Foundation kana Didiza 34 Foundation.
I say so the value add initiative is much more improving capacity for young people. You know, they will teach you how to improve in whatever that you are doing, whether you're at school, at tertiary level, or you are in business. That's what they do. And also they teach or train your workers in terms of being productive. That's what they do. So with us, because we are a foundation that is focused on bringing up the talent that is out there, encourage it to get into right platforms and give them an opportunity. So we work hand in hand, because you cannot be a one-stop shop, when it comes to development. So WED will deal with the human part of it, human development.
Yeah. No utlwala re lebogetse tshedimosetso re Madida mo tsatsing la gompieno ya the legendary breakfast e leng gore tlo go diragala mo letsatsing la botlhano ka ko Santen ka ko Protea Hotel Balalaika, the legendary lessons breakfast. Gompieno setlhopha sa rena sa banyana ba na le ba tshameka motshameko wa bona wa Pula Madibogo le naga ya Tanzania. Ga kitse o bona o fa o seka re ka solofelang go tswa mo go basetsana ba rona.
I think we do have an opportunity there, Rorisang, because we've been there and we've been champions before. So there is that respect that other national teams showed when they play against Banyana. It's when you've got to take an advantage as a competitor, because the opponent is respecting you, so you give them respect, that you try to go hard so that you win the game. Because the end part of it is that you want 3 points. So you need always to go for a jugular, and you have to be at the top of your performance, whether you're playing against a lowly ranked team or a highly ranked team. You need to perform the same. You must set the standard. So Banyana has set their standards. They need to maintain those standards.
Yeah. Ramadida, re lebogana nako ya gago maitsi wa gompieno.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, the legendary. Yeah, honorable Sana Leno Kire Fanny Madida. Ona le jalo the legendary lessons breakfast. Idiragala kako Protea Hotel Balalaika kako Santen motsatsi la botlhano. Falele kompone kana setheo le ka duela 5,000 etlisa maloko a le mararo mme motho a le no su duela diketetsepedi tsa diranta tsa the legendary lessons breakfast ya letsatsi la botlhano.